You probably didn't expect your life to turn out like this. No one does. One moment, things seem normal, manageable, familiar, and then it all unravels. You lose your job, the relationship ends, your plans fall apart, people you trusted disappear, and you're left standing in the ruins, alone. You scroll through your phone, not to find comfort, but just to feel something. You look in the mirror and don't even recognize the person staring back. There's no fire in your eyes, no purpose in your steps, just noise in your head telling you you failed. You're not enough. You'll never make it out of this. But let me ask you something. What if this moment, this collapse, isn't your end, but your beginning? Because here's the truth no one tells you. Rebuilding your life isn't about pretending everything is fine. It's not about smiling through the pain or posting fake positivity. It's about facing what's real, the grief, the anger, the shame, the fear. It's about finally stopping and saying, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I want to live again. That's where it starts. Not with a big plan, not with perfect clarity, but with a single decision to not give up on yourself. You see, nobody's coming to save you. And that's not something to mourn. It's something to own. Because if no one's coming, then you are the one with the power. You don't rebuild your life overnight. You rebuild it choice by choice. The choice to get out of bed, even if you feel empty. The choice to take care of your body, even when your heart is breaking. The choice to keep moving forward when everything in you says, what's the point? You rebuild with tiny, invisible wins. Making your bed, sending that one message, saying no to what drains you, saying yes to what you fear. You start to listen to that voice inside, the one you've silenced for years, the one that whispers, you were made for more than this pain. And slowly, something shifts. You stop begging for your old life back because you realize maybe that version of your life wasn't really yours. Maybe it was built on who you thought you were supposed to be, not who you really are. This time, you're building differently, not for applause, not for validation, not to impress anyone. You're building a life that feels like home inside your chest, and that takes time. It takes falling down again and again. It takes losing people who don't see your worth. It takes learning to stand alone and be okay with it. But every time you rise, you become stronger, more honest, more real, more you. So no, you don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start with pain in your heart, but hope in your hands. And one day, not today, not tomorrow, but someday soon, you'll look around and realize you didn't just survive the worst season of your life. You used it to become the strongest version of yourself. And that version doesn't just rebuild, it reinvents.